Okay, so I just jumped out of the shower. I just put on some Edge gel that I had left over from when I used to, use a disposable razor. And my daily driver, which is a Rockwell 6C with a level 6 plate. And I've got a Gillette NACET double-edged razor blade in here. The reason why I'm going with a 6 is because the Gillette NACET on a 6 plate for me is the best. So I just shaved with it yesterday, so I'm just gonna, get another shave out of it. So up top, I'm just gonna go across the grain. Same thing over here. Better get that lined up first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, perfect. All right, lower. I'm gonna go against the grain. I'm gonna go across the grain on my cheek. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go against the grain down here. Ever so lightly. Okay. Neckline, or lower neck against the grain. All right, that's my daily driver. It's pretty good here. Little stinging down here, little over here, nothing below. But that's my daily driver, and I gotta tell you, finally, go back into Nivea shaving balm. I don't, a lot of guys use this. It's cheap, or I should say inexpensive. Like, well, it used to be 3 bottles for 12 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, what a good shave, guys. 1 day growth, real quick pass. Didn't have to lather up any soap, used, just the gel. So hey, does shaving soap do a better job? Is it slicker on your face? Yeah, it is, because you're lathering up, for 3-4 minutes, maybe even 5, which, I like to do a lot because it hydrates the heck out of your face. And, to get razor bumps, not gonna happen unless you get really putting too much pressure on your razor. So this razor, it rocks. I mean, if I was gonna use a feather blade, I had to use a number 4 plate. I use the 4 plate probably the most, but like I said earlier, the Gillette NACET blade combo with this 6 plate, it's a winner in my book. And I don't care who you are, you'll find a plate in here that you like, and use your favorite blade. If you don't have one yet, buy a variety pack and you'll figure it out real quick. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great week.